Big news coming in from the state of Bengal. Massive ruckus being reported at a BJP protest gathering in Bengal's North 24 Parganas district after crude bombs were hurled at the BJP supporters. Right, so these are the images on your screens. It seems there has been some violence reported. Remember, there were some BJP supporters, workers who were organizing a protest rally in the North 24 Parganas, and there were some crude bombs that has been thrown, and it has clearly led to some injuries as well. Some of those images there on your screen. We'll try and get some details from our correspondents on ground about what precisely happened. Remember, in the state of Bengal, there have been consistently in the past few days injuries, deaths being reported, likely of politically affiliated workers. And it is primarily the BJP claiming that it is their workers that are being targeted by either the ruling party or the left, and that it is the BJP facing the brunt of trying to make its way into the state of Bengal. This time as well, it is a BJP rally that seems to have been attacked. Manogia Loiwal reporting from Kolkata. Manogia, what sort of rally was this? What happened? Crude bombs thrown at the BJP supporters?
Well, this is a BJP rally that was being led by the BJP MP from Barakpur, which is Arjun Singh, and he was first stopped during these protests where he was leading this protest from his residence to the Barakpur Police Commissionerate. It was during this rally that there were allegations that some bombs, 2 crude bombs have been hurled with some of these BJP leaders as main targets. And these 2 bombs were hurled near Noapara, that is near Shyamnagar area in North 24 Parganas, also targeting BJP MLA Sunil Singh. Has alleged that this has been done with a vested interest of not just damaging the entire and denting the stronghold of BJP, but also with an intent of maybe killing some of them.
All right, so these are serious charges coming in. Some injuries also being reported on the head and the body by these BJP supporters who say they have suffered attack. This is North 24 Parganas. Manogia Loiwal with all the latest. Manogia, thank you.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.